welcome to my channel. Today, let's learn CVC. CVC, three-letter words. CVC means consonant over consonant. Family group, at, at. CAT, cat. C is a consonant, A is a vowel, T is a consonant. Cat. HAT, hat. MAT, mat. RAT, rat. BAT, bat. Family group, an. AN, FAN, fan. MAN, man. PAN, pan. VAN, van. CAN, can. Ag, ag. BAG, bag. TAG, tag. RAG, rag. WAG, wag. SAG, sag. App, app. CAP, cap. MAP, map. TAP, tap. NAP, nap. LAP, lap. Add, add. SAD, sad. DAD, dad. BAD, bad. MAD, mad. PAD, pad. These are CVC three-letter words. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.